could never be long enough for me to feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now the weight is lifted, love is finally shifted. Marry me, day and every day. Marry me, if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will.
Please be seated, everyone.
Raining love.
Feel it? Jena and Blake, the next words you speak will become your own rules to live by. You've written them yourself to show the way you want to live. Take them to heart. Remember them. You have chosen them to reflect the way you wish to live your life together. And I hope that you will always be as true to them as you are in this very moment. Once you speak them, your lives will never quite be the same again. Blake, you'll be able to say to the world, this is my wife. And Jena, you'll be able to say to the world, this is my husband.
Jena, I love you to the moon and back. Today I feel like the luckiest man alive to be marrying you. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever laid eyes on. You're strong, driven, fun, clever, supportive, an amazing mother to our boys, and sometimes you're even funny. You make me strive to be a better man, you make me want to achieve more, and you make it easy to love you. I'm grateful that you allow me to be me, even though being me sometimes drives you insane. I'm grateful for all you do for me. You keep my belly full, and we know food is the way to a man's heart, but more importantly, you keep my heart fuller. You never cease to amaze me with all you do. Your work ethic is second to none. Our clothes are always washed, the house is always clean, there's always food in our fridge and a meal on our plates, and that's no easy task with a house full of boys. On top of that, you go to work and you do uni. But my favourite thing you do for me is always make time for me. Through all you do to keep our household together and running, you always have time to love me. Ooh. You'll stop anything you're doing at the drop of a hat to give me a cuddle and show your love, and I cherish that quality in you. Jena, you're the backbone of our family, and I'd be lost without you. You're an amazing mother, you're loyal, you're always thinking of others. You're fun, and always great to have a laugh with. I cherish the nights we lay in bed giggling over the most stupid, lame things. The days we spend hiding and sneaking around the house trying to scare each other. Just to get a laugh. And I know you appreciate my nude dancing after getting out of the shower. Today I promise to never stop laughing with you. I promise to choose you always, even when it may be hard. I promise to be loyal, to never stop learning to love you better. I promise to always try and show you affection, and to never stop telling you how much you mean to me. I promise to try my best to provide for you financially and emotionally. I promise to offer you support through the good times and the bad times. I look forward to a future together full of joy and love. I look forward to growing old with you. And I can't wait to see what we can achieve together as husband and wife. I love you. I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Blake Andrew Carrington, take you, Jena Renee Payton, to be my lawful wedded wife.
Blake, without hesitation, however nerves, I stand here today before you to become your wife. I vividly remember the curly-headed, wild boy chasing me down on plenty of fish and thinking to myself, man, I hope this one's a catch. The first time we met, you, ever so casual in your jeans, thongs and hoodie, I'm pretty sure I almost instantly fell head over heels for you. And from that day forward, I've had you on my mind. I've watched you create a friendship and relationship with not only me, but also my son, which was highly important to me. We've had many ups, with adding another little boy to our family, building a family home, and equally as many downs. However, we have always come through as strong as ever, and I choose to spend today and all of my tomorrows with you. The promises I want to make to you is to always be honest, faithful, and supportive of you. I promise to love you unconditionally on our good days, bad days, happy days, sad days, and every other day. I promise to keep working on my reverse parking so that one day I can be as good as you and have it dialed. I promise to accept your goals and ambitions, support you through misfortune, and celebrate your triumphs. I promise to persevere when times get tough, knowing that any challenges we might face, we will conquer them together. I promise to always keep the coffee stocked and the jug on, or should I now say our coffee machine, as I know you get cranky when you need coffee. I promise to continue working as hard as we do to make our life fulfilling and allow us as many opportunities as we can achieve. I promise to keep educating myself on finances and to keep my Kmart obsessions under control.
Thank you.
I promise to continue to work on our communication every day and be the best version of myself I can be. I'm thankful for you because I get to laugh with you every day. You are my shoulder to lean on when I'm sad. Even if I tell you to go away, you are always there. I'm thankful to share not only my life with you, but build our home and our dreams together. I'm thankful that you are the jack of all trades and you're always building and creating new things. If I need something built, you make it my reality. I'm thankful for watching you evolve into a supportive partner, maturing and responsible on most days. I'm thankful to watch you be a loving dad to our blended family of boys and taking on such a big role in our little boys' lives. I'm thankful for you taking me with my baggage and my mood swings, because we all know I get a little crazy. And I'm thankful that you are hardworking, providing and driven, and you help me achieve my goals as well as your own. I'm thankful for your beautiful family who've accepted me and my baggage, and I'm thankful that you are creative, inspiring, and most of all, I'm thankful for that for the most part you know how to tell the time and keep me accountable for being on time, even if you can't remember the most significant dates. Just FYI, today's September 9th. I'm thankful that you always find the fun in life, and without a doubt, even if you are embarrassing me more than anything, you make me laugh till my tummy hurts. I vow to value our differences, and although sometimes our ideas clash, I will continue to find our common ground. I vow to always challenge you to be the best version of yourself, and I know there are times when you never want to agree with me, but sometimes I just know what's best. I vow to keep stealing the covers, it's inevitable. I vow to accept you as you are with your baggage and imperfections. I vow to be the best version of a mum and wife I can be, supportive, present, and love unconditionally. I hope I can live up to the wife you've always hoped and dreamed of. And although our life is so backwards, I wholesomely know that in the deepest part of my soul, despite whatever challenges may carry us apart, I will always stand with you to bring us back together, because I have never been more sure of doing life with you. I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Jena Renee Payton, take you, Blake Andrew Carrington, to be my lawful wedded husband.
Okay, who has the ring? Blake, you may now kiss your beautiful bride. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to sign some paperwork to make it all official, and you'll be able to congratulate them very soon. Won't be a moment. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands together? Congratulations from Mr. and Mrs. Harrington.
We go, one more.